Stop wasting hours scrolling on Netflix. This year, I finished back to back 3 series on Netflix, and let me tell you which one is worth your time. So, you also be ready to binge them on this weekend. First, Virgin River.
I sold my house and then I quit my job. And I moved to this town that I've never heard of just so I could live in there.
Oh, no.
As the mayor of Virgin River, I'd like to officially welcome you to our little slice of heaven.
I obviously can't stay here.
I'll have it cleaned.
Did you just put is that a bird's nest from the oven?
I'm the new nurse.
I don't need you.
Well, I signed a contract.
Not with me, you didn't.
You are a stubborn goat.
Maybe I should just go.
Go!
Just come home.
Stop trying to punish yourself for what happened. Nobody blames you.
What is going on?
I'm with a patient.
You don't want to face the past, so you ran away from home.
I came here so that I could help people.
I know how hard it can be to make a fresh start. I hope you'll stick around.
This is the show I kept hearing about for years, but I never watched it. Until this year. And guess what? I ended up watching all the seasons in one go. This is how addictive it was. But here is the thing, it is not addictive because of big flashy moments and all. It's addictive because of its character. So well written. They're so beautifully written that you actually feel like you are living with them in that small town. Every character has depth. You see their flaws, their strength, their growth, and all these things together that keeps you hooked. You are someone who loves series which are warm, emotional, heartfelt, and keep you invested, then this series is really worth your time. Virgin River is a comfort watch. It's like a cozy blanket on the Netflix, but with the drama that will still keeps you on the edge. So don't miss this out. Second, Ginny and Georgia.
You know what I loved about your wedding? It wasn't this cookie cutter, copy and paste affair. It was very memorable. Especially the part where I was arrested. Exactly.
Mom's awaiting her murder trial, and everyone at school is looking at me like I'm in the circus. It's fun. Your college essay writes itself.
First degree murder is life without the possibility of parole.
Life.
I cannot believe that this is my life sometimes.
Jillian really needs us right now. I'm worried about her.
I've always known my mom was different. There's more to her that people don't see.
Everyone thinks I'm a violent, unhinged monster.
Order!
I'm not a bad person. But if you come face to face with bad, you become a little bad yourself.
I've been defending my mom to everyone.
Now let's change the gears because Ginny and Georgia is complete opposite vibe of the Virgin River. If Virgin River is slow, warm and emotional, then Ginny and Georgia is fast, bold and absolutely addictive. And the acting is top notch, and especially the dynamics between mother and daughter, Ginny and Georgia. Honestly, one of the most complex and layered relationship I have seen in the series. Georgie as a character is really magnetic. I just love that woman. She's flawed, confident, mysterious, and you can't take your eyes off of her. And Ginny dealing with growing up, constant chaos, identity crisis, and you can feel the teenage drama all over. One moment you are laughing, and next moment it will hit you with something dark and extremely emotional. It's one of those series that keeps you saying just one more episode until it's suddenly morning and you have finished the entire season. And third, Beyond the Bar.
मैं हूं फर्म का पार्टनर और लिटिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट का हेड यून सखुन। ना एक सेकंड जल्दी ना एक सेकंड लेट, लेकिन हर काम परफेक्ट।
आई एम सॉरी सर।
तुम नए रिक्रूट्स ने इस गलती से बचने का तरीका बना लिया है। एंग्लो अमेरिकन देशों में हमारे नाम के आगे SQ लगाया जाता है। ये सबसे काबिल वकीलों को सम्मान देने का तरीका है। अगर तुम्हें भी वो सम्मान तो उसके लायक बनकर दिखाओ।
Right now I'm watching Beyond the Bar. It's a Korean series, and if you are into legal field or you love watching such shows or series like Suits, Lincoln Lawyer and all, then you're gonna love this one. It is not typical courtroom drama where everything is overly dramatized. This series actually digs into what feels like to be in legal profession or in legal field. The hustle, the politics and the all personal sacrifices. It shows lawyers not just as professionals but as a human too. with ambitions, egos and struggles and with lot of flaws. So let me know in comment which series this weekend you are planning to start with. Virgin River, Ginny and Georgia or Beyond the Bar. So subscribe us for raw and real reviews and share to all the movie lovers. Keep watching. Bye bye.